Today, I will show you this cool feature in Audacity and how to enable and use it. So first, open Preferences in Edit menu, choose Track Behaviors, turn on the Enable Cut Lines option and click OK. Now, when I cut a selected area, it leaves a red line in its place. When I right click on the line, it goes away and the track is back to normal looking. But when I left click on the line, it restores the cut area. It is helpful when you need a part which was edited out multiple edits back. You don't have to undo multiple times and ruin your progress.